right. You've got a bicep machine with your total gym.
1.
You've got a rowing machine with your total gym.
2.
You've got a tricep, lat, and shoulder machine with your total gym.
3.
You have an outer hip and thigh machine. No more booty bands. You've got a big booty band with your total gym.
She's 59 years old, everybody. She's going to be 60 tomorrow. Keep going.
Ab work with your total gym.
That's crazy.
Cardio, you can do the breaststroke on your total gym. Work those arms. Get those
Look at those triceps. Look at the gram of triceps.
With the total gym, right? Straight arm sweeps with the total gym.
Great.
And if I sit up, I'm able to work the core.
I lost
Carve
count.
out your waistline
That's
with the
fantastic.
total gym. Rotate again. I'm now working the chest. No need to get down on the floor for push-ups. I've got chest exercise right up into shoulder exercises. And with our Pilates accessory.
And that's 60. Add one with 60 seconds with Pilates accessories. At least 14. My producer just told me at least 14. That's impressive. At least 14. Your opportunity is here and now to pick it up. Whether you want to do Pilates or powerlifting or just want to relax, or you just want to stretch. Now, before